Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add people on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch Splitwise, and here at the bottom you can see this icon right here and it says friends. I want you to click on this, and then you can click on add more friends, or you can click on this plus icon at the top right. And then you can allow it access to your contacts, or you can choose not to do that and just click here on add a new contact to Splitwise. And then all you need to do is just enter their name. So let's say Pioneer Legend, and then you just put in their email address right here. Okay, we'll put in this one. So we're inviting this person. We're going to be adding them as a friend. So click here on the check mark at the top right. And there you go. This person is going to be added. Now come here at the bottom right, click on this orange icon with the arrow, and they'll be notified, as you can see right here. Now click here on finish. There you go. This person has now been added as our friend. And that is how you add people on Splitwise.